Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a list on both sides and stuff to show you. I love these Easter egg colored Smart Doll blanks. We'll call them blanks. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. There is much that you could be, if you so choose, joining in on, and it is a lot of fun, and you get to know more of the doll collectors, doll people in the community. It's a wonderful thing. February announcements. This is, I can't believe it's February 5th. I mean, here we go. Okay, Dory's Dollies and I, each month, on the 3rd, we do a Maya Rain, which is any smart doll, any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. On the 16th of the month, we do Dolls Gone Goth, any doll at all, and we are not the goth police. We don't care how you interpret it. And on the 18th, we do High Barbie, which is any Barbie at all. On the 9th of each month, Dory and I put out a video letting you know what all the themes are so that you can be ready at 10 a.m. Central to post your videos along with ours. I wanted to let you know that Tammy and Terry, Tammy at Peacecraft Dolls and Terry at Be Creative, Terry, I'm not going to get that name right, Be Creative with Terry, are doing their virtual Blythe retreat taster, they call it. Good thing I wrote it down. In fact, I wrote down teaser. It is a Mardi Gras themed Blythe, kind of like the retreats that they do, and it's just a taster, and last I heard it was free. Don't hold me to that. But that's on Facebook, and for more information, go to their channels, and they have all kinds of information on that. And I'm looking forward to June 20th, 21st, and 22nd, when the actual virtual Blythe retreat is. They always make it fun. Okay, back to February. The 21st, Darren and I are hosting Fantasy Me. That'll be at 10 a.m. Central. And what that is you've seen a lot of mini-me's. What we're looking for is Fantasy Me. Maybe a doll you wished you looked like, or with a little extra makeup you could look like. Fantasy Me. Dress her the way you'd like to dress, etc. Interpret that any way you want. On March 8th, Darren and I are hosting a free St. Pat's Bash, and that'll be held like Winterfest, where you sign up and sign into our website, which is absolutely private, and we'll be talking more on that later, but it is free. It's for 1-6 dolls. We're going to focus, we're having 3 sessions. We're focusing on Rainbow High, Blythe dolls, and Barbies. And it's really going to be fun because any of the projects can be used for the other dolls. It's just made for those. May 4th, Darren and I always host Star Wars. That is where you bring your dolls out, dress them in Star Wars, like Star Wars characters or in Star Wars print. Bring out your Legos, your starships, any of it. We just want to see your Star Wars. Were you going to say something, Darren?
I was going to say, and we've been, like Ayla and others have been joining in with Star Trek.
Yes,
and
yes.
Other science fiction. It's not just Dota. It's
no,
just kind of
we just call
themed around Star Wars because of
May the 4th be with you. And Ayla had sent me that Star Trek outfit for my reborn, it's not Yoda, Grogu. And my little Grogu wore Star Trek last year. He probably will again. March 21st is coming so fast I can't believe it. We are hosting, Darren and I are hosting, and We're only looking for we're looking for those that are looking for a collab. This is not just a free doll sent out to you for the fun of it. It is a doll sent to you to join in, encourage people to join in on the themes that we set up. This one's going to be Pastel Princess, and we are using pastel pink haired Blythe dolls from AliExpress, and you can do anything with her you want, and just so she looks like a pastel princess at the end. I have several going out. I think we have 5 that are boxed up and ready. I got to get out. I have one more. You know what? You know what? I need to check that. We will catch that in the next. I hesitate because there's a name on here and I need to recheck that. But I hope you will join in anyway with your own Blythe dolls, and that's going to be fun. That'll be March 21st, first day of spring at 10 a.m. And don't tell me it's March 20th. It's not. It's March 21st, first day of spring. April 10th. This is probably well, we did announce it at Winterfest, but it's the first time we've announced it on the channel. And I'm asking you to let us know in the comments if you would be interested in receiving a set of a head and boobs for your Smart Doll body that we will do an Easter egg collab. These are Easter egg colors. That's why we're calling it the Easter egg collab. We'll be sending out a head cap, hands, the eye cradle, and the boobs. Now, they're going to come. You're going to have to clean them up yourself. You can use, we can talk about that more later, but you will have to clean these up. It just takes too long, and I'm injured and Darren doesn't have the time. But I do want to start thinking about this because we're going to do this April 10th at 10 a.m. I hate to say this, but I can only send to the USA. We sent out all those Winterfest things. Oh, and these are the hands. These are what the hands will look like. It'll be a set of all the same color. These are what the hands look like. I took, did I use the heat gun or the hair dryer, and I bent these to make them look more natural. I pushed this one all the way back for a collab or for a custom that I had done. These are the best hands we have right now, so this is what we'll be using. You don't have to use them, but it's kind of nice. Then you can put long sleeves and pants or a long dress on, and it looks like your entire doll is one color. Darren, you want to show? I did this one for Winterfest, not to win, just to have fun. But you can see with the longer sleeves, she needed longer, that it looks like a complete set of purple. It's just really fun. I went to May and came back to April, but that's okay. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you'll be writing these on your calendar anyway. Again, I want to talk about Virtual Blythe Retreat. I want to remind you, June 20th, 21st, and 22nd. This is all done on Facebook. You can find more information on Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly or on Terry's channel at Be Creative. I think it's Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, but Terry, forgive me. Put it in the comments, please. Do you remember last year when I did a little face up for Beach Baby? And I think that was a collab, but I think it might, I did a Blythe doll custom called Beach Baby. And I'm wondering if on June 27th, 10 a.m. Central, you all would like to pull out your Beach Babies and do your favorite doll in your favorite swimsuit on that doll. And we're just going to call it Beach Baby Challenge because I'm using my Beach Baby. August, oh, I didn't write down the dates. You don't remember BlytheCon dates right offhand. August, BlytheCon. If you're interested, look it up. Okay, and then in October, we're going to do Tiny Witches and Tall Witches again. Tiny Witches will be the 17th, and on the 24th, we will do Tall Witches. I'm telling you this because you all have new calendars, and you can write all this in. I want to cover the weekly challenges that are put out. I do not offer these. Other people do. Erica at, is it Little Ohana, offers the Dolly Sugary Sweet Sundae. That's on Sundays, and you show your doll with sugary treats, fake food or real food. Monday, we have Cheeky Monkey Monday, and I think Kay and Louisa changed their channel name, and it has their names in it. You'll see if you put in Kay and Louisa, they will come up. On Tuesdays, there is the Tiny Tots Tuesday, and this is put on by Valerie at the Dolly, My Stitching Dollyverse, and it is miniatures for dolls or tiny dolls. If they have a time that they're asking everyone to put this up, I don't know it and I apologize, but I think it's any time of day. On Wednesday, we have Wild Wednesday with Playful Reborns and Show and Tell Wednesday with Eclectic Wondering, Tracy at Eclectic Wondering. I don't have a Thursday down, but on Friday, I have Flashback Friday. That's Dory at Dory's Dollies. And that is antique or vintage dolls. To be honest, I'm sure Dory doesn't care if you got it last year. It's just for fun. Saturday play day, play or outfit change. And that's put on by Patricia's Dolly Dreams at 6569. If you just put in Patricia's Dolly Dreams, this will come up. If you are an active subscriber to my channel, that is, you watch my videos, you like my videos, you comment, and you are hosting a challenge or a weekly event, please let me know so I get that on the calendar. I try to do these updates once a month, usually at the beginning. This one was planned for the 1st, and if you look up, it's the 5th. We are planning Winterfest for 1/3 dolls again next year. Darren and I are. We have other ideas spinning, but I have to show you. Our theme is space. And I went to Walmart. I have to be careful. I can only handle this with one hand. I got these pants. Aren't these cute? And they have zipper pocket up top and then a fold-over pocket. And they were $5, I think. And they are in a size cargo wide leg pants. I got these at Walmart, $5. Now, this is the size I was before COVID, and I'd really, I know I'm dreaming here, but I'd really like to get my weight back down. But if I don't, what cool fabric for making 1/3 doll items out of in this space theme. And
that's a space suit right there.
yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Exactly what I was thinking. They also had, I'm just knocking everything down because I'm one-handed here. I got to pick up my microphone. It might not be picking me up. Let me pick this up. Ow, 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 ow. They also had this for $1, and this was in for the larger size ladies. And I always get the biggest item I can when I pick up things like this because it gives you more fabric. $1. They also had these little pants. These are reborn, or not, they will be reborn, but they're newborn, size closed. Look at this. I'm wondering if that will fit my pear-shaped Smart Doll. I don't know that it will, I don't know that it won't. This one is shorter, and I'm not sure who that will fit, but maybe Grogu. And then I just got this fabric. This is also for Winterfest, but that's another story. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh. Darren, can you pan over? Could they see my Valentine's Day out on the shelf in the studio? I got a little bit set up, and you can see I've got my St. Patrick's Day girl standing there to remind me to let everybody know about March 8th for that free event we're hosting on our channel, on our website, sorry. And then my Jean dolls are starting to come out, although I know I have more than that. But I've only got, what do I have there, 5, 8 out so far. Well, 7 plus Trent.
Lots of shelving still to go.
Yep, and we're waiting for the, what are they called? The knobs.
The hangers for the shelves.
Yeah, we're putting another shelf above where Jean is standing up there, and then my Jean dolls are actually going up a shelf. But we're coming along, and I'm loving it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.